We only get one life, so take care of yourself, physically, emotionally, and mentally. Choose happiness every day, even in small ways. Don't let problems steal your peace. Most of them are not worth all the worry. Life is too short to carry heavy thoughts. What matters most is how you live, not what you worry about. Let go, move on, and live fully while you can. You deserve a life that feels good inside, not just one that looks good outside. Life is better when you stop stressing and start living.
Go. Lakad. Oops, sorry. Ba, pwede ka dito? Dito ka, dito ka. Where's ate? Diyan ka lang. Close up, smile. Smile.
I ordered espresso. Here and
Ganda dito.
mangoes na. Ito nga hindi ako yung anak ko. Hello. Yung tuloy mo na.